Hello, my name is Emily Liu, and gosh, my kitty has done dozens of cat-made micro-neat productions. This is a mnemonic sentence I made up to remember the order of the metric prefixes and their sizes. It has helped me remember the metric prefixes giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico. If you have trouble remembering which of the D prefixes goes first, deca is also before deci alphabetically. Metric prefixes correspond with numerical sizes that can be written in scientific notation. So how do you remember which size goes with which prefix? Well, giga to deca, which in my mnemonic sentence is gosh to done, are raised to positive exponents. From giga down to deca, the exponent in 10 to the ninth is subtracted by 3, 3, 1, and then 1. Deci to pico, or dozens to productions, is simply a reflection of that pattern, but with negative exponents and an extra metric prefix with another 3 subtracted from the exponent. So I have a lot of rulers, and I always tend to lose them. Before I did, I noticed that some measure in centimeters and millimeters. What if one day I wanted to convert 15 millimeters to centimeters and I lost all my rulers? And even lost my internet connection, so I couldn't even Google the answer? Well, a method to find the answer is to set up a table like this. The plan is to convert from the initial unit millimeters to the base unit meters, and then to the final unit that I want, centimeters. In the second column, put the starting unit millimeters on the bottom and the base unit meters on top. In front of the larger unit of the two, place a 1. Which is the bigger unit, meters or millimeters? The prefix milli is 10 to the negative third. The negative exponent indicates that it is smaller than a base unit. Meters is the bigger unit. So place a 1 in front of the meters. In front of the smaller unit, put the size of the metric prefix. As we just saw, milli is 10 to the negative third. For this method, you don't write the negative sign since it's already been taken into account when deciding which is the bigger unit. So just place 10 to the third in front of the smaller unit, millimeters. Now to convert meters to centimeters. In the next column, meters is on the bottom and centimeters on top. Which unit is bigger? The prefix centi is 10 to the negative second and is therefore the smaller of the two. Place the 1 in front of the bigger unit, meters. Leaving out the negative sign, place centi size of 10 to the second in front of the smaller unit, centimeters. Now, multiply across and divide the top by the bottom. The units on top cancel out with the same units on the bottom, leaving the final unit of centimeters. The final answer is 15 to the negative first centimeters. Now for a different example, let's go ahead and convert 5 gigagrams to centigrams. The initial unit gigagrams is on the bottom and the base unit grams on top. Which unit is bigger? The prefix giga is 10 to the positive ninth and is bigger than grams. So place a 1 in front of gigagrams. The prefix gigagrams has a size of 10 to the ninth and is put in front of the smaller unit grams. Now in the next column, grams is placed on the bottom and the final unit, centigrams, on top. Which is smaller, centigrams or grams? Centi has a size of 10 to the negative second, so 1 is dropped in front of the bigger unit, grams, and the size of centi is placed in front of centigrams. What?